Hey guys, looking for a simple and secure way to store, share and access your file from anywhere? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use Microsoft OneDrive even if you're a total beginner. By the end of this video, you will know everything you need to get started and take full advantage of what OneDrive has to offer. Let's dive right in. So first you just need to know that what is OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service. Think of it as a giant secure external hard drive but online. It tells you save your photos, documents, videos and other files safely in the cloud. You can then access from your PC, your phone, a tablet or even a friend's computer anywhere or anytime. So you can just get to them by search for OneDrive here. So here is the web page where you can get your personal vault here. So plus OneDrive automatically backups your files, keeping them safe even if your device goes lost or damaged. If you already have a Microsoft account like an Outlook mail, you already have access to OneDrive for free. Now let's see how we can get started with Microsoft OneDrive. So first you have to go to the microsoft.com and you have to search for this OneDrive where you can create a free account or you can sign in with your Microsoft account, or you can simply go to the onedrive.live.com, and if you have created one or if you have connected with your Microsoft account, then it can get that Microsoft account automatically and get you logged into your account, or otherwise it can ask for log into your account. So signing in using your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free. It takes just a minute. So once you're signed in, you will see this your OneDrive dashboard. If you're on Windows 10 or 11, OneDrive is already built into your system. So you can just search for OneDrive here. Just go to that. Let me show you the PC, and if you search for OneDrive, yeah, not here, you can just search for here like OneDrive. So it will already built in on your system. So this is, you can file it in your file manager. So that's how you can do it. You can download that PC application. This is actually application if you search for it. So OneDrive is an application on your system that will integrate with your file manager, or otherwise you can download the OneDrive mobile application. Now let's see how you can upload your first file. So first you have to click on this add new button here. So then you can find this files upload or folder uploads here. So you can simply click on it. Let me show you. Also you can save your Word documents, Excel workbook, PowerPoint presentation, OneNote and notebook and Excel service. Also if you have any text document, then also you can save it to this cloud so you can access it anywhere, anytime. Now you can simply go to the My Files. Also from here you can also upload some files here like this, or you can simply click on Add New. Now folder, you can create a new folder. So I'm going to create a new folder right now, like my photos here, photos. Just like this, you can simply hit enter to create that new folder here. So here you can see I have just created a new folder. So first you can simply add new, and you can upload a file here. Let me show you. Simply click on file. So from here you can upload a file from here. So I'm going to add some file like this one here. So I have just added a file. So here you can see uploading that file, that image, and here you can see we have just uploaded not this, let me show you. So where is here it is. So this image is here, that actually uploaded here, but we just need to upload it to that folder. So we have to just we have added it to open on our My Files section. So we can delete it by simply delete up files from here easily by simply click on it, and you can simply click on delete button here. So simply click on delete. Now it will delete that file. So here you can see one file is deleted. Now you can just go to a folder, Then here you can see I have just opened a specific folder where I want to upload that specific file or photo. So just like this, you just need to double tap on that photo, then you can upload it easily. Here you can see we have just uploaded it. Now, one of the best features of OneDrive is sharing. So you just need to select a file. Like I'm going to select a file here. So for example, this one. So select a file, and you can simply click on this share button here. So this is actually share button. So you can create a link that anyone can open, or you can restrict access to specific people for extra security. So you can set expiration date for links or even add passwords. This makes it perfect for sending large files to friends, sharing work documents, or collaborating with classmates without worrying about email attachment. So from here you can add your friends email or anything. Like I'm going to add an email here, like gmail.com. Yes, just like this, and you can add that email here. You can add more person, you can add multiple person here. Now you can give them the access that if they can edit or they can only view. If you said can view, so that means they can actually make any changes on your file. Then you can add some message for them. Then you can simply click on copy link button, so you can just share this file with this link, so anyone can get access by this link. But you can select this anyone with the link, so you can click on it. You can select it anyone with that link, so anyone can get access for your this file here. Only people with existing access. If you have reshare with people in your organization who already have access, they can only get that, or people who you choose. So share that with specific people you choose inside or outside of your organization. Use their name, group, or email, just like I have just done it. So I have just added that person name, so that person only can get that access. So if that person have shared that link to anyone, so they actually can get that get this access of this file here. Now from here you can set the expiry date here, so you can just, I said before, so for that you have to purchase the premium plan on OneDrive. So you can set the expiration date for that link, and you can also set that password for securing your link here. So apply, and you can simply click on copy link and you can send it, or you can simply click on send it to send an invitation email for this person, for this email, for this recipient that you have added. Now with the OneDrive app, you have your files everywhere you go. So open the documents on your computer, edit it on your phone while commuting, and finish it on your tablet at home, all sends in real time. Even better, if you install OneDrive on your computer, you can send selected folders locally. This means you can access your files even offline, and any changes you make will automatically upload and next time you are online. So for that you can simply click on that and simply click on this three dot button here, and here it is. So let me show you. Go back, and if I just simply click on this three dot button here, so we can just sorry, not for that actually. So we can manage access here, or sometimes it is automatically offline, or you can make some files offline or manageable in offline, or you can simply click on details. So you can find the details about that file here that gathered by OneDrive. Now from here, the activity, you can find the activity. So you can make changes offline, but make sure that you come online as soon as possible so the changes can be saved. Then useful OneDrive tips for you. Here's some pro tips to get even more out of OneDrive, like version history, accidentally deleted apps, like you can get to that app, this OneDrive app, and for example this one, so you can actually make it offline, like simply click on always keep on this device, so it will always keep this on device if you are even offline. So that's how you can access it, and also you can get the version history. So this is one of the tips that you can follow. You just need to go to the see more option here, then you can find the view this version history here. You can simply click on version history. So it will show you the version history of each version of that file. Like it could be PDF file, it could be image, or it could be docs file, or it could be Excel file. If it's changed, then it will just save the past changes as another version, so you can recover it anytime. Then the personal vault, actually here is the personal vault in application or in the web here. So if you need extra security for sensitive files, then personal vault adds an extra layer of authentication. Now free storage, so you can get the free storage here. So you can get this free storage, you can see. So you start with 5 GB for free, need more, then you can upgrade or bundle it with the Microsoft 365 subscription for 1 TB of storage, and that's a lot. Now change settings on Windows, customize which folder you want to change to your computer to save space. Now recap and call action. Your full here is the full recap for I'm going to give you a recap about that you can upload your file from here by tap on this add button here. You can get your my files, you can get your photos that you have used in your Microsoft 365, so it will actually saved in the OneDrive automatically. You can download it, it will save that all the downloads that you have made from Google Chrome browser, and it will save it automatically from here. And this is actually the recycle bin where you can get all deleted files. So here you can see earlier in this video we have deleted a file, so from here you can recover a file by tap on this restart button here, or you can delete it forever if you want. So it will permanently delete that file. Here you can see deleted all item, and it is permanently deleted from your OneDrive. So, and that's it, your full beginner's guide to Microsoft OneDrive. Now you can easily store, access and share your files from anywhere in the world. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments that what will you be storing first on your OneDrive.